70 ways to improve your English speaking. 16. Study word roots and prefixes. 17. Use vocabulary apps. For example, Quizlet, link in available. 18. Read English news and blogs. 19. Learn collocations. 20. Create a vocabulary journal. 21. Listen to native speakers. Pronunciation. 22. Practice pronunciation with online resources. 23. Record yourself speaking and compare. 24. Learn mouth and tongue positions. 25. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. 26. Watch videos on pronunciation. 27. Learn intonation and stress patterns. 28. Practice with pronunciation apps, for example, Forvo. 29. Record yourself with a voice recorder. 30. Get feedback from a language teacher. 31. Speak without preparation. 32. Practice impromptu speaking. 33. Engage in conversations with strangers. 34. Join English language conversation groups. 35. Attend language conferences. 'Do like, share the video, and subscribe my YouTube channel.